Very good evening, students. Hope you all are doing great. All right, so today's class we will do a bit of mensuration, right? So we've already done mensuration, so this would be part 2. All right, now let's quickly move on to the sums. Here goes. The first question is the total surface area of a solid hemisphere of radius 7 centimeter is dash. So you all can start working out. Meanwhile, for those who have forgotten the formulas, so for them, we'll try working it out here. Okay. All right. All right. So now for that, you should know the total surface area of a solid hemisphere. What is it? The total surface area of a solid hemisphere. The formula is 3 pi r square. Okay. So 3 into, so if you see in all the answers, pi is given. So you don't have to convert pi into 22 by 7. Just have pi like that. And r is 7 into 7. Okay. Centimeter square. So 7 sevens are 49. 49 into 3. Okay. 9 threes are 27. 12, 147. So it is 147 pi centimeter square. Okay, so it is none other than option 1. That should be the answer. All right, so hope you would have got the answer. Now let's move on to the next question. The total surface area of a cube of side 20 centimeter is. So now for this you need to know the total surface area. Total surface area of a cube. What is the formula for that? 6a square. Okay. 6 into a is 20 into 20. So 2 twos are 4, 6 fours are 24. So it is 2400 centimeter square or per square centimeter. So that would amount to option 3. That's the correct answer. All right. Yes. Now hope this is clear. Right. Now with this, we are moving on to the next question. Number of vertices of a cuboid is. Number of vertices of a cuboid is. It's a very simple question. So those who know the answer, quickly put it in the chat box so that your 30 seconds will wait for the students to put the answer in the chat box. So number of vertices of a cuboid is, okay, 8. Right. Just a second. Yes, it is 8. Correct. All right. See the next question. The curved surface area of a right circular cone of height 15 centimeter and base diameter 16 centimeter is dash. Now, let's note down all the instructions or the details that is given. So, height is 15 centimeter. Diameter is 16 centimeter means, which implies radius is equal to 16 by 2. Diameter by 2 is radius, isn't it? So R is 8 centimeter. Now, what is the curved surface area of a right circular cone. Formula NT, curved surface area of a right circular cone is pi RL. Okay. So for this L, we know that L is nothing but root of R square plus H square. Okay, so that will substitute. And here also, if you see everywhere pi is given. So you don't have to convert pi into 22 by 7. Okay, so it is pi into what is R? It is 8 into what is L? 8 square plus 15 square centimeter square. So 8 pi into 64 plus 225. Okay. 64 plus 225. So 9. 8 8s are 64 plus 225. So it is 289. Okay. So 8 pi into what is root of 289? What is root of 289? It is 17, isn't it? So 8 pi into 17. You multiply 17 into 8, 13. So 136 pi centimeter square. This should be the curved surface area. So where is it? It is here. Option 2. Option 2 is the correct answer. 136 pi centimeter square. Okay. All right. See the next question. The lateral surface area of a cuboid whose dimensions 15 centimeter into 12 centimeter into 10 centimeter. See, when this is given, then you should always know that, right? So you should always know that it is, just a second. Okay, so this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. Height, okay? So length, breadth, height. So that you should know. What is length? 15 centimeter. What is breadth? 12 centimeter. What is height? 10 centimeter. All right. Now, what is it we want? Lateral LSA, lateral surface area of cuboid. What is the formula? 2 pi into L plus B. Isn't it? 2H into 2H into L plus B. So twice of what is height 10 into what is L 15 plus what is breadth 12. So 20 into 27. So it comes to 540. So 540 square centimeter. So it should be option 1, which is the correct answer. All right. Yes. So hope you would have understood. So here it's a mere application of formulas. Formulas you must remember. Okay. All right. See the next one. Number of edges of a cuboid is. How many edges does a cuboid has? So 30 seconds can be taken for this, not more than that. How many edges does the cuboid has? So cuboid has 12 edges. Right. See the next question. A conical flask is full of water. The flask has base radius r and height h. The water is poured into a cylindrical flask of base radius mr. Find the height of water in the cylindrical flask. Right? So first you should know what is the volume of the cone. Right. So see here, what is the volume of cone? The formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 pi into what is r? So the water is poured into a conical flask of base radius mr. So mr the whole square into height. So 1 by 3 into pi into m square r square height. Okay. Okay. Right. So pi into 1 by 3, 1 by 3. See here, a conical flask is full of water. The flask has base radius r and height. The water is so you should see cylinder, no? That also we should say. So 1 by 3 pi r square is nothing but pi r square h. Okay. Yeah, just a second. So right. So pi r square h is equal to pi into this cylinder only you have this mr. So mr the whole square into height. Okay. So pi into m into m square r square into height. All right. So now let us see here. Pi gets cancelled. Okay. Next, r square gets cancelled. Okay. So we have, let bring the 3 there. So h by 3 is m square h. In other words, h is 3. In other words, h is, take this h by 3, okay, m square. So this will come down. So h is h by 3 m square. So which is option 1. So option 1 must be the correct answer. All right. Yes. So hope you would have got the correct answer, students. You can always put it in the chat box. See the next question. The number of soaps of size 10 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter that can be put in a box of a cuboid of size 20 centimeter into 10 centimeter is dash, right? So as you know that when such kind of question measurement is given, then it is length, breadth, height. Okay, right. So now what is the volume of the soap? What is the volume of soap? Is nothing but length into breadth into height. 10 into 5 into 2.5. So what do you get 10 into 5 into 2.5? 50 into 2.5 will give you 125 meter cube. Volume is cube. Next, let's see volume of cuboid. Okay, length into breadth into height. So we have length into breadth into what is height? Is nothing but right. So here they say it is of size 20 and 10. So into we have here length, isn't it? So 20 into 10 into 10. So length into breadth into height. Okay, right. So now what do we get? This is 2000 centimeter cube. Now how do you find out number of soaps? So number of soaps is equal to volume of cuboid by volume of soaps, which is 2000 by 125. So when you cancel this, it becomes 16,250 plus 125 into 6. Okay. So your option 2 must be the correct answer. Cuboid. Okay. All right. So hope this is correct. Let's move on to the next question. The total surface area of a cube is 96 centimeter. Okay. This is cube. It's 96 centimeter square. Then what is the side? Right. So now what is total surface area? What is total surface area of a cube? Formula is 6a square. So 6 into what is a? They say that 6a square is 96, isn't it? So 6 into a square is 96. What is a square? 96 divided by 6. So a square is 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6. So 3 1s are 3 6 are. So a square is 16 means a is equal to root of 16, which implies a is equal to 4. Okay, so it should be fourth one, option 4. Okay, yes. So hope you have understood and got the answer. See the next question. Lateral surface area of adjacent cylinder is what? So this is mere application of formula. Lateral surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Okay, right. Now this is just a formula. See the next one. The volume of the largest right circular cone that can be cut out from a cube of edge 4.2 centimeter is dash. Now, what is the volume of the right circular cone? So that we must first know. Okay. So volume of the right circular cone is nothing but 1 by 3 yeah here 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, so 1 by 3. Nowhere pi is given. So let's write 22 by 7 into what is r. So 4.2 is the diameter. R is half of it. So 2.1 into 2.1 into height is 4.2. Okay. So when you simplify this, we get 4,851 divided by 250, which is 19.4 centimeter square cube. So it is option 1. All right. So you can quickly note down those who have not done so that we can move on to the next PPT. Yeah. Okay. All right, let's move on to the next question. The area of four walls of a room, 12 meters, 8 meters, 5 meters is dash. So what is the area of the four walls of the room? So area of four walls of a room is 2h into L plus B. Okay. So 2 into, so we know that this is length, breadth, height, isn't it? So 2 into height is 5, L is 12 plus 8. So 10 into 20, which is 200 meter square or square meter, whatever. So your option must be third. Okay, so hope this is clear. Let's move on to the next question. Radius is 7, h is 10 in a cone. Then what is L? Right. So L is nothing but root of r square plus h square. 7 square plus 10 square. So 49 plus 100, which is root of 149. So root of 149, if you take, it will give you 12.2 centimeter. Okay. So hope you're getting the answer, 12.2 centimeter. All right. See the next question. The base of a triangular prism is a right-angled isosceles triangle. Equal sides of each 15 centimeters and height 12 centimeters. Then what is the volume? Okay. So here they say that the base of a triangular prism is a right-angled isosceles triangle. Okay. So now what is the volume? So volume is equal to area of the base into height. Which is half into 15 into 15 into 12. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 6 are. So 225 into 6, 1350 centimeter cube. Okay. So your answer must be option 4. So you can always work it out and quickly check whether all of you are getting the same answers. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. The edge of a cube is 2 centimeter. Then what is the lateral surface area? So lateral surface area of the cube, simple formula, isn't it? Right. Lateral surface area of a cube is a cube. 4a square. Okay. Which is 4 into, what is a? 2 into 2. So 16 centimeter square. So which is option 3. So hope you all are getting the same. Right, let's move on to the next question. The total surface area of a cuboid of length L, breadth B, height H in square units is dash. So this is mere application. Total surface area of a cuboid. Okay. So total surface area of a cuboid, it is nothing but twice of length plus breadth. Um, no, total surface area of a cuboid will be not option 4, option 3. Twice of L into B plus B into H plus L into H. So your option must be, correct answer must be option 3. So twice of L into B plus B into H plus L into H. See the next question. A solid iron cuboid of dimensions 49 into 33 into 24 centimeter is melted to form a solid sphere. Then its radius is dash. So this we know that it is length into breadth into height, isn't it? So we know the length is 49, breadth is 33, and the height is 24. Okay. Now what is the volume of a cuboid? Volume of cuboid. So what is the formula? Length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height, which is 49 into 33 into 24. And here let us see what is the volume of sphere. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into what is r? R we don't know, r cube only. So this is nothing but this 49 into 33 into 24. Okay. So now what is r cube? R cube is 49 into 33 into 24. Okay. Into 3 by 4 into 7 by 22. So 4 ones are 4 6 are 11 twos are 11 threes are 2 ones are 2 threes are. So what happens if you multiply? R cube will be 9261, which implies R is 21 centimeter. So option 2 must be the correct one. So this is just mere application. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height, which is nothing but volume of sphere. 4 by 3 pi r cube. All right, see the next question. The area of a regular hexagon of side A unit in square units is dash. So this is just a formula. 6 into root 3 by 4 A square. 6 into root 3 by 4 A square. Okay. All right, see the next question. A rectangular plot is 200 square meters in area. If its breadth is 10, then its perimeter is dash. All right, so now let's note down area of a rectangle is given. Okay, area of a rectangle is 200 meters square. What is the breadth? 10 meters. So length into breadth is 200, which implies length into 10 is 200. Therefore, length is 20, right? Okay. Now, we want perimeter. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? Twice of L plus B. Twice of 20 plus, what is the breadth? 10, which is twice of 30, which which is 60 meters. So that is why option 1 is correct. All right. So it is 16 meters. Option 1 is the correct answer. All right. See the next question. Area of rectangle is 100 centimeters square. What is the formula for the area of rectangle? Length into breadth, isn't it? So length into breadth is 100 centimeter. So they say that length is 20. What is breadth? So breadth will be 100 by 20. Which is breadth will be 5 centimeter. So your option 4 is correct one. Very simple. Just you should know the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Then you will be able to do the formula. All right. Volume of a cube is 125 centimeter cube. Then its side is dash. Now what is volume of cube? A cube. So they say that a cube is 125 centimeter cube. So what is a? Cube root of 125, which is 5 centimeter. So option 3 is the correct answer. Okay. So it should be 5. So hope you have got 5 centimeter as the correct answer. All right. See the next question. The sides of a triangular prism are 12 centimeter, 16 centimeter, 20 centimeter. So the height is given 15 centimeter. Then what is the lateral surface area? Right. So the formula we must know. What is the lateral surface area? So this is nothing but just right. Lateral surface area. Yeah. So lateral surface area. That is what is being asked. So this is nothing but perimeter of base into height. Okay. So which is nothing but this is length, breadth, height. Okay. So we know perimeter is nothing but overall. So you should add 12 plus 16 plus 20 into into yeah 12 plus 16 plus 20 into what is the height? 15. Okay. So perimeter into height. Perimeter of the base into height. Okay. So now when you add it, what you get? 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4. So 48 into 15. When you multiply, you get 720 centimeters square. So your option 1 is the correct answer. 720 centimeters square. So hope this is clear. So this is just application of the formulas. All right. See the next question. The length of a rectangular tank in 100 meters and is 100 meters and its breadth is 80 meters. If water is flowing through a square sluice of area at 40 meter per minute, the time taken to fill the tank to a depth of 2 meters is dash. So for this, we should know first the volume, right? So what is the volume? length into breadth into height. So what is the length? He says 100 meters, breadth is 80, and the height is depth is height into 2. So which will give us 16,000 meter cube. All right, now let's see what is the time taken. So time is nothing but volume by area. Okay, what is volume? 16,000 divided what we found out divided by area is 40, which is 400 minutes. So when you convert 400 minutes, okay, we get 6 hours 40 minutes. 6 hours 40 minutes. Therefore, your option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, so hope this is clear. The volume of a vessel in the form of right circular cylinder is 448 pi and its height is 7 centimeter. Then the radius of the base is dash. So we know the volume is 448, which is pi r square h is 448. So let's just take pi r square. What is the height? It is 7. So this is 448. So he says it is 448 pi, isn't it? So then you should add pi. So now pi gets cancelled. What is r square? R square is 448 by 7, which implies r square is 64 and r is 8 centimeter. So your option 2 must be the correct answer. Okay, so you can just cancel the pi here and write r square as 448 by 7. Okay, and try to divide 448 by 7, you get 64. Square root of that is 8 centimeter. All right, so hope this is clear. See the next question. If the curved surface area of a cylinder is 220 centimeters square, base radius is 3.5, then what is the height? Okay, so for that you should know the curved surface area of a cylinder. Okay, so it is 2 pi RH and that is 220. So 2 into pi into what is R? Radius is 3.5 into height. Okay, so now you want the value of the amount of height. So 220, okay, by 2 by pi by 3.5, right? So when you convert pi as 22 by 7, you get the height as 10 centimeters. So you can always check, right? So you can always check the answer. All right. So with this, we are moving on to a very important announcement, students. Yes, a very important announcements. So please make a note of it. This is about the JetSat 2025. So what is this? This is nothing but Jatadhara Educational Technology Scholarship Aptitude Test for the year 2025. So all class 10 students. So class 10 students can apply. And what is the benefit of this is free IIT JEE NEET online coaching for 2 years. Okay, that is for standard 11 and 12 you will get. And rupees 500 per month stipend for 2 years you will get. So the registration link is in the description box. Or you can send a message to us, JET SAT to 733-728-5228. All right. So please send a message to us, 733-728-5228. And you can also pass on this message to your school friends, your classmates, your teachers, so that they can also get the details by sending us the WhatsApp. All right, students. So don't forget to send the message. The registration link is there. So just send a message to JET SAT to our WhatsApp number 733-728-5228.